Thank you for changing my life, making me the person I am today. Without you, I don't know where I'd be. Today officially marks the beginning of forever, and I've never been more excited to see what our future holds. From kids to traveling the world and creating the life we've always dreamed of. I promise to be the best person, husband, and father while going through this insane journey of life together.
8 years ago, two kids found each other in the middle of a busy high school classroom, bonding over our love of skiing and snowboarding. I never would have imagined I'd not only find my best friend in that room, but my soulmate, but most importantly, you are my person to the end. I promise to always listen to you, even if it may be challenging. I promise to never go to bed angry. I promise to always communicate with you and work through every challenge that comes our way. I will love you, I choose me, and above all else, I choose us.
I promise to cherish and honor you.
Promise to cherish and honor you.
A love that is unending and true.
A love never ending and true.
Dylan, with this ring,
I promise to cherish and honor you.
I promise to cherish and honor
A love that is unending and true.
a love that is unending and true.
Ladies and gentlemen, I now pronounce the two of you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
I wish nothing but continued happiness for both of you. To Cassie and Dylan, cheers.
So now if we could all raise a glass to the wonderful couple. Cheers to Cassie and Dylan.
Your life together will be filled with many new adventures. Congratulations.